Hey y'all, so today we're going to talk about how to make buttons for your classroom in Google Draw, or for your Canvas classroom, I'm sorry. So first you're going to go to your Google Drive, and I'm in my interactive classroom folder. That's just where I want to put this. So I'm going to go to New, and then I'm going to go down to Google Drawings. So that's, again, you click New, and then you just scroll all the way down to More, and then go down to Google Drawings, and you're going to select that. And then it's going to come up and you can title your drawing whatever you're working on. So let's just title it practice buttons. And then you're going to insert whatever shape you would like your button to be. So let's just do a circle button. Okay, and you're going to fill in the space however you want to stretch it out and fill it in. And then you're going to want to make sure you do it all the way over to the edge. That'll clear the background of your image so you don't have a lot of white space or anything when you upload it into Canvas. So we're going to do that. Alright, so now you have your image, so you're going to click on your image. Now you're going to format it. So let's say you want to change the outline of it. You want it to pop a little bit more. You can change the thickness. Let's say you want to change the background. You can do fill or custom. You could add a background. If you know the number, you can type in a specific number to get a color, whatever you want to do. Alright, so there's our button. And now what you can do is you can add in your text. So you can insert text box, and you're going to draw a text box, and you're going to write whatever you want. So start here. So this was your first button, and this is where you wanted your kids to start. You can change the text. You can increase it. Honestly, there are so many different things you can do. And this is on Google Draw. The only downside here for me, instead of using PowerPoint but using Google Draw, is that you can't do your own background. So I can't insert a background from a picture I have or from the internet. But that's okay. If you just want basic buttons, this is definitely where you want to do it. So you're going to have your button here. Let's say you're ready to insert it into Canvas. You're going to go to whatever course you're working on. Let's go to Sandbox. Make sure you're in teacher view, not student view like I am. And then you're going to go to pages or wherever you want to import it. I'm just going to pick a practice page. View all pages. If you want to do a new page, then you would just click add new page here at this blue button at the top. So let's do a new page. We're just going to title it practice. And then if I want to edit my button, how I would do that is I would go back up to my Google Draw file, publish to web, and you want to embed it. You don't want a link, you want to embed it. So you want to embed, publish, say we're sure we want to publish it. You're going to copy this embedded HTML link, and then you're going to go over here to your HTML editor. And you're going to paste that. You're going to save it, and then you will see that now you have a giant button. So you can edit it, and then you can make it smaller. So let's make it smaller. And now you have your button. So now what you want to do is now you'd probably want to link this button to something, right? So you're going to click it so it's highlighted, and then you're going to, over here, make sure it's under links. And let's say you want to link it to a page. Maybe you want it to be for your yoga day or your calendar or your pacing guide, whatever you want it to link it to. About Mrs. B. Let's just do that. We'll link it there. So now when I save it, you're going to see now when we hover over it, we now have this little hand pointer. And when we click it, it's going to take us to this About Mrs. B page. So there you go.